the refresh rate above which a picture stops flickering and fuses into a steady image is called. So here we are having the set of frequency names. So image is called. So here we are supposed to write the respective frequency name, and which is having the refresh rate which is above which a picture will stop flickering and it will be having a steady view of the picture. Options are here: critical fusion frequency, crucial fusion frequency, critically diffuse frequency, and current frequency fusion. So we'll be going for this option number A, that is the critical fusion frequency. Now what is the critical fusion frequency? So critical flicker or fusion frequency, so in the abbreviated form it will be having the name that is a CFF in the abbreviated form, and is the transition point for an intermittent light of increasing temporal frequency where the frequency ceases. So at this particular point the frequency will cease and the light is perceived as continuous. So we will be having a steady view of the respective image, and it is widely used for evaluating visual temporal processing, and however substantial variability in the psychophysical paradigm, and that's why we'll be going for this option number A, that is a critical fusion frequency. So CFF will be the abbreviated term.